Air insulation prevents top sheet from overheating, which prevents burning. Microdome technology decreases bake times by up to 15%. 100% aluminum. No rust promise. AirBake brand has always been the original insulated bakeware. AirBake continues to provide the best baking results every time. Made of 100% aluminum, AirBake Natural provides an overall enhanced baking performance with its insulated aluminum sheets and microdome technology to decrease bake times by up to 15% over traditional insulated bakeware. 2 heavyweight aluminum sheets surround a layer of air. The air reduces the temperature of the metal that comes in contact with the food. The bottom sheet blocks the direct oven heat while the layer of air acts as an insulator, preventing the top sheet from overheating. This means better browning, no burning, and moister baked goods. Set includes 2 cookie sheets 16 inches by 14 inches and comes with a recipe book. Care instructions: before using your bakeware for the first time, wash and condition the bakeware by spreading 1 teaspoon of cooking oil over the interior with a clean cloth. Wipe off any excess. Avoid overheating your bakeware. In order to preserve and avoid scratches on your coating, we recommend the use of plastic utensils. Slight surface marks or abrasions are normal and will not affect the performance of the non-stick coating. With use, the non-stick surface may become slightly darker. This will not impair its performance. AirBake is designed to breathe and is not watertight. However, AirBake is dishwasher safe. Do not use dishwasher detergent tabs; the concentrated cleaning agents will damage the bakeware's finish. Do not soak; if water is inside pan layer, there is a risk of burning from steam release. If your pan has water inside the 2 sheets, place the pan upside down in a 250-degree oven for 30 minutes or until water is removed. Top reviews from the United States. How did I bake cookies before this? I used to have the bottoms of my cookies burned to a crisp and the insides still uncooked. I could never get it right. Turns out it was the cheap pans I got at Target. I got these and they work amazingly. I read some of the other reviews about washing the pan and it sounds like it is a little more complex to wash it than just throwing it in the dishwasher. Yeah, it says it is dishwasher safe, but I read that if water gets inside the pan you have to dry it out and it could actually burn the cookies with water inside it. I use parchment paper when I cook and I wipe down the top of the pans after I'm done, but honestly I don't even need to do that. I haven't washed it in the dishwasher and I don't think I will. I heard that if you do stick it in the dishwasher and the water does get inside the pan, then just stick it in the oven for 15 minutes to dry out the inside. But why chance it? And I don't want to wait 15 minutes with it in the oven just to dry it out. Just don't let food directly touch the sheet and you're good. These pans really are great. You should get them, and parchment paper.